Like all the fluids in your Subaru, your transmission fluid should be checked and changed periodically. Maintaining your transmission fluid ensures smooth shifting and prolongs the life of your transmission. Low or dirty fluid can cause serious damage, leading to expensive repairs. Let's cover how to check the transmission fluid in your Subaru. To begin, start your Subaru and let it warm up. Be certain you're parked on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Cycle through the gears by shifting into each gear stick position, including park and neutral. With the engine idling, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, then reinsert it fully. Remove it again to check the fluid level. If it's between the full and add marks, you're good. Otherwise, top it off with the recommended Subaru transmission fluid. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to keep your Subaru running smoothly. Check your owner's manual for guidance on the proper transmission fluid for your model, and follow the link in the description below for more information on Subaru transmission maintenance.